Hello arty people! In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this kitchen worktop. This is going to be used for a couple of upcoming miniature scenes, so stay tuned for those videos. On with the making! Okay, so I'm starting with the front of the kitchen cabinet and I've already cut out my pieces. I have a background piece and then 2 drawer fronts and 2 cupboard doors. I'm going to stick these together with PVA glue. The card I'm using is actually Amazon packaging. It's my favourite card to work with because it's strong but easy to cut. You can paint on it easily and it's basically free. I'm a pretty thrifty crafter, so this is a big plus for me. So I always save the card envelopes when we get a delivery. Once they're all stuck in place, I'm going to leave this under a couple of heavy books so that it dries flat. I've cut out 2 side pieces and now I'm going to paint them with a couple of coats of white acrylic paint. I'm leaving the bottom strip because this is going to be the kickboard, which I'll add later. For the door handles, I'm going to use staples. I'm lining up where I want the staples to go and making a hole with a pin. The holes need to be just big enough for the staples so that they stay in place without the need for any glue. With all the pieces dry, I'm just checking that they line up correctly. Then I'm going to add pieces of wood to add a bit more stability and surface area for gluing it all together. I'm using the bits of wood that come with canvases. Then I can stick the side pieces to the front pieces, again using PVA glue. Then I'm going to do a couple more coats of the white paint now that all the pieces are stuck together. For the kickboard, I've cut out a piece of silver card and I'm going to glue that in place. Next, I'm going to put the staples in place, making sure to leave a little gap between the card and the staple. Finally, it's time to attach the worktop. I'm using this piece of wood, which is actually a sample of a wooden blind, which I saved from when we got new blinds recently. It's the perfect size and even has a rounded edge like a real worktop. I'm just going to glue that in place and allow it to dry. And that's the worktop finished. I hope that was interesting, and stay tuned for future videos where I use it in a scene. Let me know in the comments below what scenes could be made with this. Thanks for watching, bye!